Hi, my name is Zamil, and I'm here with SERVPRO and Vista to tell you about the three most common pieces of equipment that you would find on a water damage loss site. Our first piece of equipment is our dehumidifier. What it does is take in the wet, humid air from a water damage loss site, process it, and emit dry, warm air back to the loss site, creating a desert-like atmosphere to speed up the drying process. Our second piece of equipment is quite simple but powerful. Our air mover pushes the wet, humid air to the dehumidifier to process it and sends back the dry, warm air back to the loss site. Our last piece of equipment, but definitely not least, is our air scrubber. It's equipped with a true HEPA filter that can filter out 99.97% of pollutants that are 0.03 microns and larger. That includes mold spores, pollen, dust mite, common dust, and is great for mold remediations and just standard demolition jobs. I hope this gives you a little bit more insight on what this equipment does to minimize the damage in your home when a water damage occurs. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to give our friendly staff members a call 24/7, 365 days a year. Thank you very much and have a fantastic day.